Hello everyone, I am Pradyot, representing team The Optimists. Delighted to be part of this START-A-THON hackathon where we are excited to turn the optimism into innovative solutions. Presenting UnityRelief. When disaster strikes, every second counts. So this is the basic details of our team. The problem statement says that our challenge is to build a groundbreaking platform, an app that revolutionizes disaster relief coordination. We aim in building a community-driven platform that connects people, resources, and hope in times of crisis. So let's turn adversity into unity and resilience together. So this is our proposed solution. We introduce UnityRelief, a game-changing website revolutionizing disaster relief coordination. It empowers communities to make a meaningful impact during the crisis. It features a user-friendly interface with powerful tools to streamline efforts. It also has a volunteer coordination system that lets an individual find opportunities that match their interests. Now, coming back to the functionality, Unity Relief helps you to find and reach the nearest shelters, medical facilities, and relief centers with API. It also makes donating and volunteering a breeze for an organization. You can donate money, supplies, and skills. You can also find and join opportunities that suit your interests. You can collaborate and share resources with other volunteers and organizations. UnityRelief allow organizations and individuals to register themselves and can benefit themselves. There is also an emergency help in case of disaster where we can immediately report a disaster to raise funds for the affected ones. It is a community, it connects you with people who care, who understand, and who support you. You can chat, share stories, and offer emotional support through forums and groups. Now, coming to the key features of our website. Firstly, it is user-friendly website. It provides a user-friendly interface that allows individual to quickly locate and connect with nearby emergency shelters, medical facilities, and relief centers. Secondly, community engagement and coordination. Thirdly, it is highly language friendly since people come from different countries, prefer different languages, and thus our website provides all details in preferred language using Google Translator API. Fourthly, it is highly scalable and adaptable. Our solution is designed to be scalable and adaptable to different regions and disaster scenarios. It can be customized and integrated with existing management systems, making it versatile tool. It also aims collaboration with the stakeholders. We actively collaborate with local emergency management agencies, non-profit organizations, that is NGOs, to gather insights, ensure data integration, and align a solution with their needs. Lastly, real-time data and analysis. Our system leverages real-time data from various sources, including social media, to provide up-to-date and accurate information about ongoing incidents and emergency needs. Some of the more key features includes the light and dark mode and the top scroller. The tech stack used in building this website includes for the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the framework, we have used express.js for building the user interface and handling dynamic interactions. In the backend, the programming language is Node.js for server-side development and Express for handling server requests and routing. Apart from this, we have used Google Maps API and MongoDB for storing and retrieving data. Now coming to the most important topic, that is the market opportunity and the competitive landscape. For this dynamic web application, our target audience for the above solution would include the community members, which includes individuals who want to contribute to disaster relief by donating funds or supplies, and other includes the relief organizations, which includes the non-profit organization NGOs and agencies who are actively involved in disaster response and relief efforts. It also includes local authorities and emergency services, that is the government agencies and emergency providers responsible for managing and coordinating relief efforts during the crisis. Next is the disaster management professionals, experts and professionals working in the field of disaster management, including researchers, policymakers, and practitioners. So, by targeting these specific audience, Unity Relief aims to bring together individuals, organizations, and authorities to create a collaborative and effective ecosystem. So, we generate a sense of inclusion for disaster relief and community support. Now, what impact would it create? Our impact would be that non-profit organizations and agencies actively involved in disaster response and relief efforts. These organizations can utilize our platform to coordinate volunteers, manage donations, and access real-time source resource information. Now, coming to our business model, go-to-market strategy, and funding ask. Our platform facilitates community-based relief efforts by enabling volunteer registration resource, donation tracking, and collaboration among volunteer, local organization, and government agencies. This fosters a sense of community empowerment and ensures a coordinated and effective response to disaster. This collaborative approach enhances the effectiveness and relevance of our system within the local context. So let me give you a glimpse of our website. This is our homepage. This is about a section which offers glimpse of functioning of a website. It is viewers organizations page. Here you can donate for the respective registered organization. It is volunteer organization page. In order to donate for the organization, and it is the registration page to register in where individuals can register themselves to raise the funds. And this is the most important emergency help page. In case of an emergency or disaster incident, Unity Relief allow users to register for some funds for a community affected in disaster like a famine or earthquake. You can also search organization in your nearby city. We have also pages covering the latest news where Unity Relief provides latest news regarding the charity organizations and disasters, keeping the users up to date about all charity related stuff. We have a separate page of blogs for the charity lovers and their stories, and a contact us page. So, in conclusion, I would just like to say that we strive to empower change and enrich our lives through our programs, initiative, and collaborative efforts. So, thank you so much. And now we would just love to head to the working model of our website.
So, coming to the working demo of our project Unity Relief, when disasters strike, every second counts. So, this is the homepage of our website. So, here it is the nav bar showing all the functionalities in our website. So, this is a photo gallery with a slider where you can see different images related to incidents, disaster, or NGOs. Then, let's see all the functionalities one by one. So in the navbar, we have this dark and light mode where you can change the mode according to yourself. Then here is a Google Language Translator API. In this, you can select your preferred language. For example, if we choose Hindi, then all the content will be changed in Hindi, and the user can easily see all the things in his preferred language. Then here is a about us section. This section enables the user to have a brief understanding of what our project does and what are the functionalities it offers. Then here is a view organize view organization section. So this section enables users to have a look at the registered organization that have registered themselves on this website. So the users can know about these organizations, and they can also easily donate for these organizations using the using these button. So this was all about the homepage, and then we have this contact us section where the users can provide their feedback, suggestions, or maybe inquiries regarding this website. Then this is the footer. Now coming to the other functionalities, we have this latest news section. This section enables users to keep themselves updated about the latest headlines um, regarding the disaster, incidents, or NGOs, or any charity done by any individual or any organization. Then next we have this blog section. So here it offers users articles and blogs regarding incidents, NGOs, and their stories. So these blogs are provided to inspire them to donate to the charity or volunteer themselves for the organization. For example, we have these articles. So now coming to our next functionality, that is register. So our website allows any organization or any individual to register themselves. What you have to do, they they just need to fill up the form. For example, they have to enter the social cause. This is an optional field. If this is an organization, they can fill that area, and for an individual, it is not compulsory. Then they have to. This is also a optional field. This is for the organizations, and then they just have to submit all the details. So this will be showed that your form is successfully submitted, and then you can just go back. That is, your organization is already registered. Then there comes the supporter section. So there are two choices: either you can volunteer or you can donate. Now coming to the volunteer section. Now here the person has to enter its details and the organization for which he want to volunteer. So thus our form is successfully submitted. So all the details will be shared to the organization and they will contact the individual. Then there is this donate option where one has to fill all the details and click the submit button. Thus the individual will be contacted by the organization. Then here we have a separate section for the emergency help. So this is basically created for any disaster or any emergency where any individual may not be able to fill up the form by himself. So any other entity can fill it. So this is the emergency area. This will work similarly as this register organization. And then there is this contact section. Also, we have this help section where in the emergency a user can find nearby shelters or medical facilities near the area. You just have to enter the city name and then click the search button. So this will show you all the NGOs near your city. Okay, so this was all about the functioning of our website. Thank you. Hope you like the project. Thank you.